I connected Fireflies to 3 apps, Slack, Notion, and Google Docs, all on the completely free plan, expecting at least one of them to hit a paywall. None of them did. I'll show you the exact setup for each one, step by step. Quick subscribe if you want honest AI tool tests like this every week. Starting with Slack. In Integrations, I click Slack, hit Connect, and it asks permission to connect to my workspace, Ahmed Tech Hub. And I select the channel I'd already created for this, called Fireflies. Click Allow. It then tells me to go into Slack itself and manually invite the Fireflies bot into that channel using a / command. So I switch over, type /invite at fireflies.ai, and Slack confirms it's already in the channel. Back in Fireflies, I run a test connection by creating a sample meeting, and it confirms the notes sent successfully. I save the configuration, and that's it, connected. And here's the actual proof in Slack, a full sample meeting summary posted directly into the channel, title, date, participants, and a real summary of what was discussed. Next, Notion. I search for it in Integrations, click in, and hit Connect. It asks permission to view, edit, and create content within pages I select, plus see workspace users and emails. I click Next. Then it gives 2 options. Use a ready-made template provided by Fireflies, which duplicates automatically into your workspace, or manually select existing pages to share. I go with the template option, since it's simpler, and click Allow Access. Back in Fireflies, I confirm the page, Fred's Fireflies Meetings, enable adding the date to the title, and enable both saving meeting summaries and saving meeting transcripts. Then I create a sample note to test it, and it confirms the data was pushed successfully to Notion. Save the configuration, and it's fully connected. Let's confirm it actually worked. Over in Notion, in my Ahmed Tech Hub workspace, there's now a page called Fred's Fireflies Meetings. And inside it, the sample meeting is sitting right there, with the date, the host, and the meeting data, fully organized. Last one, Google Docs. Same process, search it, connect, allow access. I enable saving meeting summaries and meeting transcripts, then click Continue, and create a sample summary to test it. It confirms 2 documents were saved successfully. Clicking into the first one takes me straight to Google Docs, showing the sample test with the date and summary. And to fully confirm it, I check Google Drive directly. Both files are sitting right there, exactly as promised. One honest thing worth flagging, even though I enabled saving the meeting transcript for Google Docs, it quietly reverted back to disabled on its own, and the sample data only included the summary, not the full transcript. Small thing, but worth knowing if you're specifically relying on the transcript landing in your docs automatically. So here's my honest take. All 3 integrations worked, completely free, no upgrade wall anywhere in the process, which genuinely surprised me. Slack needed 1 manual step inviting the bot, Notion was the cleanest with its template option, and Google Docs worked well except for that transcript setting resetting itself. If you're already using any of these 3, this is one of the more useful free features Fireflies actually offers. Link to try it is in the description. Subscribe if you want more honest AI tool testing. See you in the next one.